This massive banana stem is usually thrown away. But inside this factory, it's transformed into powerful natural fiber. Watch closely.
Something you've probably thrown away your entire life is being transformed into something incredibly valuable.
This is the largest high-tech banana stem factory on Earth. And once you see the full process, you'll never look at a banana tree the same way again. Banana trees grow fast, very fast. And after one harvest, the stem is usually discarded.
For decades, these massive stems were treated as agricultural waste.
But hidden inside is one of the strongest natural fibers on the planet. Banana fiber is biodegradable, eco-friendly, and incredibly durable.
In a world drowning in plastic, this fiber is a game changer. That's why this factory exists.
And the process begins now!
Every single stem here has a second life waiting. First, the banana stems are transported directly from farms to the factory. They are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, insects, and impurities. Cleanliness is critical at this stage.
High-tech scanners analyze size, moisture, and fiber density.
Welder. Each stem is graded for maximum fiber extraction efficiency. Only perfectly aligned stems move forward. Now comes the most satisfying part. Even with machines, human expertise matters. Leftovers, nothing is wasted. Even leftovers are reused. Now the transformation accelerates. This is where nature meets technology. Pure banana fiber begins to emerge.
And this is only the beginning.
Fibers are pulled out without chemicals. Temperature and pressure are constantly monitored. Every strand is checked for strength and flexibility.
Fibers contain moisture. Controlled drying chambers remove water without damage.
Dried fibers are spun into threads. These threads are stronger than cotton. Used in fish. Luxury brands are now competing for banana fiber, ropes, carpets, and eco-packaging. This factory reduces agricultural waste, creates thousands of jobs, cuts plastic pollution, and proves sustainability can be profitable.
From farm waste to future material, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable industry.